So, hi Akhila.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So, can you tell me some of your history? How was your back pain? How it
Okay.
started? How was your back pain?
My back pain was not there before my pregnancy. After that, it slightly was there, but it's not that much. But I had a miscarriage in 2020 or sometime. So that time that vacuum thing is done. After that, it aggravated a lot. So I used to.
So, how you used to get the back pain when standing, sitting, talking?
If I work more, like in the night, I used to when I sleep. Then time I used to feel relief.
Relief. But you're walking, if you're doing work, you used to get back pain. Back
I
pain?
used to get like that lower back.
Lower
pain.
back pain was there.
Yeah.
It was going to your thighs or down? No.
It was
But
not.
it was a discomfort back pain.
Discomfort.
Discomfort whenever you're walking, doing and everything.
Yes.
So-
Sometimes in my periods also I used to get extra pain.
Extra pain, too much
Yeah,
of pain.
because of
So that
this.
pain used to give you discomfort, while working or
Yeah.
the thing. And what about your riding the bike?
If I ride, it increases. Like if I already have pain, on top of that, if I ride, it increases.
Okay, it increases. So
Then
you
I
are,
used to stop.
used to stop. So you are a frequent rider. So you ride to your
Office 10
office
minutes.
timings and come back home also. You like stand for a long time. Then used to get a pain
I
and
sit and
everything.
stand
So
all
what
day.
you used to do? You just apply oil, painkiller.
I have that no oil, no painkiller. I used to put some belt.
Okay,
that
okay.
belt is there. That belt I used to put. That used to
Relief and everything. So
it's
now.
not so severe ki I should go and consult a doctor.
Then after doing the treatment with us, how it was there?
It reduced actually. It was not that severe. In between, actually, it almost gone. But then again, I have not done anything.
So, but now like you had almost gone. The pain is not there with you. You are able to do now. You are able to ride your bike.
Yeah, I am riding. But again, like if I don't do any exercise or anything.
Yeah, you
I'm
have to
getting
do
once in a
exercise.
while.
You have to do exercise. You have to do stretches and everything and things.
That
But
I'm
you found relief after doing the treatment with us, right? So now you are comfortable. You are able to do your work without any pain and everything, right? Oh, that is what I wanted to know. Okay, all the best. See that you take your proper diet. And also exercise, stretching is very important. Don't strain yourself while you're riding your bike. Also you should if there is a hump or something, you have to carefully do that. If you're getting strained, you have to rest. That is very important. That's what we don't do. Over exertion, what will happen? Slight pains here and there you'll feel, but when you take a rest, it will go. Okay, take care, ma. Thank you. Bye bye.